Hello, welcome to my channel Codewall Academy. In this video, we learn about how to create multiplication table of any digit using Python. Okay, so let us start. So firstly, I have to create a table in this form 4 into 1, like 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. In this form we have to create a table. Okay, so let's start in Python. So first we take any variables and take int type input integer numbers, like input, enter a number. Okay, so enter a number from users, enter a number, and now take a for loop for I in range. Okay, range from 1 to 11. It will gives 1 to 10 if we take a range from 1 to 11. Okay, now print n into I in form of n into I equal to equal to n into I. Okay, in this form it will print output like enter number, take any digit, like if I take 6, it will print 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 12, 6 into 3 is equal to 18. In such a way it will print table of 6. So for this much for today. See you in next video, and please, if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.